Cardiovascular diseases are responsible for the largest number of deaths worldwide, and the statistics are staggering, claiming over 17 million lives annually. But here's the good news. Most of these cases are preventable if we simply understand their root causes and take appropriate action. In this video, we'll explore the factors that increase cardiovascular risks and reveal actionable ways to protect your heart. Let's dive in to this life-saving conversation. Cardiovascular diseases, also known as heart and blood vessel disorders, include conditions like heart attacks, strokes, and heart failure. These occur when blood flow to a part of your body, or heart, is blocked or reduced, leading to serious complications. While the statistics are alarming, knowledge is your first defense. Once you know what's causing the problem, you can take steps to address it. What we put on our plates directly affects our heart. Diets high in saturated fats, trans fats, and overly processed foods are among the biggest culprits of cardiovascular issues. When you consume unhealthy fats and excessive sugars, your body starts to develop cholesterol deposits along the walls of your arteries. Over time, these deposits harden, causing a condition known as atherosclerosis, which impedes blood flow to your heart. High salt intake is another offender. It raises blood pressure, a leading cause of heart disease. But here's the thing, swapping processed snacks for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and lean proteins is not only easy, but immensely powerful for your heart. Nowadays, many of us spend hours sitting, whether at work, scrolling through social media, or watching TV. This sedentary lifestyle weakens the heart and contributes to conditions such as obesity and type 2 diabetes, both major risk factors for heart disease. The good news? Small changes make a big impact. Just 30 minutes a day of activities like walking, cycling, dancing, or even gardening can immensely strengthen your cardiovascular system. So the next time you need to take a short trip, consider ditching the car and walking instead. Your heart will thank you. Smoking doesn't just harm your lungs, it significantly damages your heart too. It reduces oxygen supply to your blood, stiffens blood vessels, and raises blood pressure. Shockingly, smokers are at least twice as likely to suffer a heart attack compared to non-smokers. Quitting isn't easy, but the benefits are immediate. Within weeks of quitting, your heart begins to heal, your blood circulation improves, and your risk of heart conditions drops dramatically. This is one habit every heart-conscious person should kick. When it comes to alcohol, moderation is everything. Small amounts of red wine have been linked to potential heart benefits, but excessive consumption does more harm than good. Overindulgence increases blood pressure, adds empty calories to your diet, and contributes to obesity. A simple rule of thumb: stick to 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. Or better yet, find heart-friendly, non-alcoholic substitutes. Remember, your heart thrives when your habits are balanced. Stress has become an inevitable part of modern life, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your cardiovascular system. When stressed, your body releases hormones that elevate your heart rate and blood pressure. Many of us also turn to unhealthy coping mechanisms, such as overeating or smoking, which compound the problem. The solution? Prioritize relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. Take regular breaks and ensure you get enough sleep every night. Even small moments of mindfulness each day can significantly ease your heart's burden. High blood pressure or hypertension is often called the silent killer because it has no noticeable symptoms yet severely damages your heart over time. It forces your heart to work harder, thickens artery walls, and makes your blood vessels more prone to rupture or blockages. Fortunately, controlling high blood pressure is possible with regular monitoring, alongside lifestyle changes such as healthy eating, weight management, and daily exercise. If necessary, medication prescribed by your doctor can provide additional support. People with diabetes are at a significantly higher risk of heart disease. Why? Because excess blood sugar damages blood vessels, making them more prone to clogging. It's a vicious cycle. Diabetes often coexists with conditions like obesity, hypertension, and high cholesterol, amplifying cardiovascular risks. Managing diabetes through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consistent monitoring of blood sugar levels is critical. Working with a healthcare professional to create a tailored management plan can go a long way in protecting your heart. Excess body weight places additional stress on your heart. It increases the likelihood of developing high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes, all of which are direct contributors to cardiac problems. However, you don't need to aim for perfection. Even modest weight loss, about 5 to 10% of your body weight, can significantly reduce heart disease risks. Pair this with regular physical activity and a nutritious diet for lasting results your heart will appreciate. Sometimes, despite living a healthy lifestyle, individuals may face cardiovascular risks due to family history. If your parents or close relatives have struggled with heart conditions, your chances may be higher. But don't panic. Genetic predisposition isn't destiny. Being aware of your family's medical history will encourage you to take proactive steps, such as regular screenings, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and consulting your doctor to mitigate risks. While cardiovascular diseases can affect anyone at any age, risks increase as you grow older. Men tend to face higher risks earlier in life, while women's risks spike after menopause due to changes in hormone levels. Being mindful of this age and gender-related vulnerability is key to early prevention and management. Did you know air pollution is linked to heart disease? Tiny particles from polluted air can enter your lungs and bloodstream, causing inflammation and stress on your heart. While this might seem beyond your control, you can reduce exposure by walking or exercising in cleaner areas and supporting green initiatives to combat pollution. Your body often gives warning signs before a major heart event. Chest pain, shortness of breath, persistent fatigue, and dizziness are all red flags. Don't dismiss them as mere inconveniences. Seek medical attention immediately. Early intervention can be life-saving. The adage, "You are what you eat," holds true for your heart. A heart-healthy diet consists of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins like fish or chicken, and healthy fats such as those found in avocados and nuts. Replace sugary drinks with water. Reduce high-sodium packaged foods and control portion sizes. Making these simple substitutions can lower your risk of heart disease dramatically. Exercise doesn't have to mean hours at the gym. The key is consistency. Find something you enjoy. A brisk walk in nature, a fun Zumba class, or even playing with your kids in the park. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, 5 days a week, for optimal heart health. If you smoke, the best gift you can give your heart is to quit. Enlist the help of nicotine patches, support groups, and loved ones to make the journey easier. Remember, the health improvements start almost immediately after you stop smoking. Alcohol, fast food, and indulgent desserts are fine in small amounts. Balance is crucial. Embrace an everything in moderation mindset to avoid overloading your heart with unnecessary risk factors. Carve out time for yourself every day. It could be a 10-minute mindfulness practice, a soothing bath, or simply a walk outside. Reducing stress isn't just about relaxing. It's about strengthening your heart against life's challenges. Knowledge is power. Regular checkups to monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels can catch potential issues early. Stay informed about your health numbers, and if something is amiss, act quickly with the help of your healthcare provider. Your heart health journey can inspire and influence others around you. Share your story, educate loved ones, and create a ripple effect of positive choices in your community. After all, a stronger heart builds a stronger world. No matter your current risk factors, it's never too late to make changes. Start small. Stay consistent, and watch as new habits transform your heart health. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step, and your heart is worth it. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of what causes cardiovascular diseases and how to protect yourself, it's time to take action. Begin your heart-healthy lifestyle today. Share this video with your loved ones, and let's work together to spread awareness about this pressing issue. One share can save a life. Start protecting your heart now. It deserves it.